Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a while and I apologize for my disappearance or lack of videos. I got my new setup, which I was so excited about and so looking forward to getting, being a bit more consistent, and then I got sick. And I got sick it was pretty rough. I mean, I was out for at least a week, maybe even longer. And so I'm just now starting to really feel like myself again. And I apologize if my voice sounds rough. I still haven't quite gotten my voice back. Kind of goes in and out. But anyways, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you kind of an updated everyday makeup routine that I do slash kind of a no makeup look. It is what I have on right now. This has just really been my go-to everyday makeup look that I've been, like, if a day that I know that I need to go out, but I don't really want to, spend a ton of time putting on makeup, this is what I've been going to a lot recently. It's just, I don't know, it's just very simple, it's very easy, and it doesn't take very long. Maybe it takes like, I would say 5 to, maybe if you kind of drag it out, 10 minutes at the most. I wouldn't say any more than that, but, so that's what I'm going to be showing you guys today. I'll show you the products that I use and I'll show you what I do. So if that's something that you're interested in seeing, then please go ahead and keep watching. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my Elemis Pro Collagen cream here. It is the anti-aging cream, and I'm going to use that to prime my face. And so I'm just going to go ahead and put that all over my face just to get it a bit moisturized. Alright, next I'm going to grab my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, and I'm just going to conceal the areas on my face that are a little bit red. So usually around my nose area and a little bit on my forehead, and of course on the chin and cheek areas where I usually have the most redness peeking through. Then I'm just going to take my beauty blender and I'm just going to blend that out. I forgot to mention what shade I'm in, and I'm in the shade Light Pale. I think this is the one that matches pretty closely to my skin tone, but it's not very, that wouldn't be the shade I would use to like highlight my areas. And usually if my skin is looking pretty okay, I'll just go ahead and skip that whole step right there and just move on to the next step. Alright, next I'm going to move to the brows, and the brow product that I'm going to be using is the the $1 Billion Brows Universal Brow Pencil. And I think the shade is Taupe. Doesn't say a shade on here, but I'm pretty sure that's what it was, because it's supposed to be universal, so it's supposed to be for all. But I'm just going to go ahead and lightly run that through my brows. I don't really put a whole lot on. I'm just mostly just filling them in, just so my just to, kind of cover up the thin areas that I might have. But honestly, I don't do too much with my brows. I like to keep them looking more natural, so I don't carve them out or anything. The brows done, and next thing I usually do is I take my Dream Street ColourPop and Kathleen Light palette, and I take the shade Shooting Star. It is this just neutral kind of tan color, and I just take a fluffy brush, doesn't matter what fluffy brush you grab, just anything, and I just go ahead and put that all over my lid. And I just blend that out on both lids. It doesn't have to be too dark. Alrighty, after blending that all out, I will go ahead and go in with the mascara. Today I'm going to be using the It Cosmetic Superhero Mascara. Which I have mixed feelings about this mascara because I do like the actual formula of itself, but I don't know, I don't like the packaging because, I don't know if you guys can tell, but like when I pull it out, it always seems like there's way too much product on the actual like wand. Like it picks up way too much and there's not really a little thingy in there to like control how much product comes out. So I always am having to like, it's like, I don't know if you guys can see that. Look how much product is on this wand. And I always feel like I need to scrape it off because I don't want it to clump up my lashes. But I like the way it makes my lashes look. Alright, mascara is on. And the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking this Maybelline Lasting Drama light eyeliner. It looks like this. And sometimes I switch up between the shades, like I'll either use this white shade or I have another shade that is, it's a Starlight Gold. And sometimes I'll do either one of those two. Today, I think I'm going to do the gold. And I just put that on the bottom of my waterline. I don't know, I just feel like that makes my eyes look a little bit brighter. The gold is more of a subtle kind of brightening. If you want something that'll make it really pop, I would use the white. I'll just go ahead and put it on just so you guys can see. Can you guys see the difference between this eye and this one? And I'll just go ahead and do it to the other side just to make it even. I don't know, like I said, I like the way it makes my eyes look and makes them look more bright and more awake. And the last step that I do is really the one that just really depends on my mood, is what lip color I'll be wearing. Like if I want something, you know, more nude, I'll go with a nude look. Or if you want something more bright, you can do like a red or something. But I usually stick with more nude colors. And I'm going to be putting the Odessa New York High Definition Liquid Lipstick on. And it doesn't say what shade it is, on the bottle at least. And so I'm just gonna put that on. And then of course you can always spritz your face if you want your makeup to last a little longer. I usually use the Milani Make It Last setting spray and just go ahead and spritz that all over your face. And there you go. That is my go-to everyday makeup look right now. I like it because, I don't know, some days I just don't really want to wear that much makeup, but I mean I still want to wear something, and that's just what I usually gravitate towards whenever I would just want to put on something, just a little bit of something. And also I don't know, I think it makes me look a little more natural. But yeah, that concludes today's tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, why not go ahead and just hit that subscribe button. I do appreciate the support, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!